Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or approximately 30 by 40 centimetre canvas. There's nothing on it. I have a large cup here and I have white, black and red. I'm going to do a flip cup. Now the white has silicone in it, but the other two don't. So what I would like to do is pour these in, the black and the white, and then put the red in over the top, straight down the middle sort of. I'll show you, just to see what will come of that, and hopefully acquire a very nice painting. It's a bit like putting the ingredients together for a cake, isn't it? Alright, so the recipes for this paint and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under the video. And I might just get the last of this out. Right, that's the last of the black. Now the last of the white. That's it. As you can see, looks very pretty. I think you can see that. Now a bit of the red. This is the red. Pouring it like that. Should be enough. As you can see, just a dot, but the red is in there. So here we go. Piece of trusty paper, and it's straight in the bin because it's gooey. No cloth, I just wipe my hands. It's quite late at night here, it's about 10:30, and I thought I might just do a pour before I go to bed. Are you finished? I think it should be. We just might take it this way, eh? Don't know where the red went, but however, we have some selection. Oops, get off, don't do that. So here we go, we'll see if we find our red, which was in there, which actually what I might just do, have the dustpan to tip these colours onto when the time comes, and then down here. Take it over this corner first, I think. Right. I'm getting some lovely cells. Still haven't found my red yet. And over this one. Right, and now the lucky last. Back over this one. Whoa, can you see those? Come on, down you come. Right, there's my red starting to come out. What I would like is for this lighter one to come down. Moving very nicely. Right, and take that out of the way, and I will get some spare cups here. Just to put this on. Up the cone. Okay, so I want this to get the corners because I know that I have missed some of them. Just a little. Just making sure that I've got something on each one on my head. Right. Now, I'm going to just leave that for a second and just wipe under there. This is really pretty. Nothing like a late night paint. Right, I'm going to wipe my hands off because they're gooey again, and then I'm going to torch it. Red is now coming up, which is a bit good, and I think that's really cool. Just give it a second or two while the cells grow a little bit more. It's really good. These huge ones. And then I've got medium and itty bitty, and yeah, it's really quite cool. So I'll bring you down to take a look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put videos up into YouTube. And that's what I've been looking at. And you can see how beautiful they are. I really, look at these. Look like red fireflies. Yes, this is a very pretty painting. Please give it the thumbs up, I do appreciate that. And I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.